In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on camera in Discord. Whether you're chatting one-on-one or hanging out with friends in a server, turning on your camera is quick and straightforward, and I'll walk you through it so you feel confident the first time you do it. First, join a call. You can start a direct message video call with someone or hop into a voice channel in a server where you're allowed to use video. Either option works the same way once you're in. After you're connected, look for the call controls on your screen. These controls usually sit along the bottom and include familiar icons like mute, deafen, and screen share. The one you want looks like a little video camera. Click that camera icon to turn your camera on. If it's your first time using video on this device or in your browser, you might see a permission prompt. This is normal. Your browser or your operating system is asking if Discord can access your camera. Choose Allow. Without this permission, Discord can't show your video feed. If you accidentally deny it, you may need to allow access and try again. Giving permission only lets the app use your camera during calls, and you can always turn it off whenever you like. Once permission is granted, your video feed should start right away. You'll see your own preview on screen, and other people in the call will see you too. This is a good moment to check your framing and lighting. Face a light source if you can, avoid strong backlight that puts you in silhouette, and make sure your lens is clear. If another app is already using your camera, close that app so Discord can take over. A stable internet connection helps keep your video smooth, and sitting a comfortable distance from the camera makes the image more natural. If you need to stop sharing your video at any time, just click the same camera icon again. It's a toggle, so one click turns it on and another click turns it off. Remember, this is separate from your microphone mute. You can keep your camera on with your mic muted or vice versa, depending on what you need in the moment. That's all there is to it. Join a call, click the camera icon, allow access if prompted, and your video is live. Click the icon again to turn it off. With these basics, you're ready to show your face confidently in your next Discord call.